Good morning, students. Let's start with the next lesson from our English Bal Bharti textbook, Unit 6, Lesson number 3, Buying Things. Okay, so buying means when we go for shopping, there are different shops to buy different things. Okay, just a minute, I will start with my laser pointer so that I'll be able to point properly. Grocery stores, wherein you get the grocery items which you need for cooking at home. Boutique, clothes, you get bakery means all baked items, bread, cakes and all. Pharmacy, you get medicines. So that way we have different shops to buy different things. Okay. And then there are supermarkets where you, in those, the earlier shops which I showed you, what you have to do, you have to go and ask the shopkeeper, जो shopkeeper है उससे पूछना पड़ता है कि please give me this, and then the shopkeeper will give you. But in supermarket, it is like self-service. Nowadays, there are a lot of supermarkets. You just enter into it, you just go through all the goods which are ऑन डिस्प्ले. वहाँ पे जो जो चीज़ें रखी रहती है वो आप जाके देख सकते हैं. और and then you carry those cart and all, and then what you do, you have a wide variety of food, beverages means juices and all. Okay, household products, अलग अलग चीजें होती है. और these are organized into sections. Like at a place you will find only juices, then in a place you will find only shampoos, soaps, all these varieties like grains at one place. So that way it is organized properly, अच्छे से रखा होता है, सब अलग अलग जगह पे रखा हुआ होता है. And in one section one type of things are arranged. Okay, so these are supermarkets, and a lot of supermarkets are there, and nowadays we prefer to go and buy from the supermarkets. Here we carry the trolley baskets, and then we choose whatever we like and we put in our trolleys and baskets, and then we stand in the line for the billing. Okay, those are called as the supermarkets. Then also we go to the malls. Malls are actually, a mall is a very large building that is full of smaller shops and stores. Okay, so in the whole building there are lot too many shops all together at one place. Okay, there is a boutique, there is a shoe shop, there are shops where you can have your food, you can do grocery shopping also, you can buy bags and what not, your ornaments, jewelry, so many things you can buy. Okay, so many small shops are there in one single building, at a one single place all the shops are present. That is called as a mall. Okay, so here we go to buy something. Now what is buy? Buy means you you take something by paying money for it. You don't get anything free of cost, so you have to pay money when you buy something. Okay, you want something, you like something, you take it, but you have to pay the money. That is called as buy. Okay, shopping nowadays we can do by two methods. First, we go to visit that particular place. We go to a mall, we go to a supermarket, or we go to a shop and then buy the things. Or nowadays we also buy online from Amazon, Flipkart, wherein you just order online and the person comes and give it to you at your home itself. So shopping nowadays is done online also. Okay, so now we are going to listen to the story of two children, Sohan and Reva. Okay, Sohan and Reva, they are going to shop. You know, shopping nowadays we don't go much because of the current situation. But whenever there is any occasion or we need something, normally in Diwali, any festival and all, your birthdays or if there is a wedding, we go like to go to shopping. Okay, or if there is a requirement, some requirement is there, then we all go for shopping. Same way, Sohan and Reva, they are going to a shop. Now, how they will go? Will they go alone? No, they go with their parents. So they went to a big shop, and then they were so, oh my God, what a big shop, they said. And why did they come here? Because their mother, she wanted to buy something. Father also wanted to buy some things. And then the father asked, कि now what Sohan and Reva will do, they might also want something. उनको भी कुछ चाहिए होगा. हो सकता है कि उनको भी कुछ चाहिए. So the father asked them, how about you children? Do you also want to buy something on your own? आपको खुद को कुछ buy करना है खुद के लिए? खुद आप ले लेंगे? ऐसा पूछा. So father gave some money. Here's some money. You can use it to buy anything you like. Father ने क्या किया? He gave the children some money and said, you can use this money and you can buy anything you like. Now the children were very excited. When your parents give you some money, you are excited. You don't know, such a big shop, so many things are there, and you become so confused what to buy. अभी मैं क्या लूँ? इतने सारे पैसे हैं, इतनी सारी चीजें, मैं क्या क्या लूँ? ऐसा लगता है ना? So they started thinking, shall we buy chocolates or shall we buy crayons? Crayons खरीदें, chocolates खरीदें, या should we buy some toys? Or they got so confused. Then they asked their mama, Mama, will you please help me? We are so confused. We are not able to decide what we should buy. So Mama then said, what you can do is you can buy something that will finish up quickly. जो जल्दी से खत्म होता है ऐसी कोई चीज आप ले सकते हैं. और you can buy something that will last long. या तो फिर आप ऐसी चीज ले सकते हैं जो बहुत देर तक रहेगी, जो बहुत टाइम तक आप यूज कर सकते हैं. You can buy something made by the others. किसी और ने बनाई हुई चीजें आप ले सकते हैं. और you can buy things and make something yourself. या तो फिर ऐसी चीजें लो जिससे कि आप खुद कुछ बना सकते हो. ओके, सो व्हाट मम्मा सेड, ऐसी कोई चीज ले सकते हैं जो जल्दी से खत्म हो जाए, विच विल फिनिश अप क्विकली, और समथिंग दैट विल लास्ट लॉन्ग, यानी कि वो ज्यादा टाइम तक रहेगी आपके साथ में. या यू कैन बाय समथिंग विच इज मेड बाय द अदर्स. किसी और ने बनाई हुई चीजें आप खरीद सकते हैं, या तो फिर ऐसी चीजें खरीद सकते हैं जिससे कि आप खुद कुछ बना सको. यू कैन बाय थिंग्स एंड मेक समथिंग योरसेल्फ. ओके, so she gave so many options. So now what happened? Then they started thinking again. Then they thought कि it is better that we will buy something and make new things with them. ठीक है? They thought what? It is a good idea to buy things and then they will make some new things with them. उन्होंने सोचा कि चलो हम लोग ऐसी कुछ चीजें खरीदें और उनसे कुछ और नई चीजें बना सकते, ऐसी चीजें खरीदेंगे. So Soham and Reva picked up some things. They went to the counter. Okay, they picked up many things from where they could, with the help of which they could make new things. You know, some art and craft things they picked up from the shop. एंड देन दे टुक इट टू द काउंटर, है ना, बिलिंग के लिए. जैसे हम लोग कुछ खरीदते हैं, देन वी हैव टू गो फॉर द बिलिंग. सो वी वांट टू बाय दिस पेपर, ग्लू एंड कलर्स. हाउ मच इज इट, है ना. शी टुक द things to the counter and then she said कि this paper, glue and colors we want to buy, what will be the cost, how much is it, means what will be the cost of this. So 95 rupees in all. The lady at the counter, she said, how many rupees? 95 rupees in all. Total मिला के कितना rupees हुआ? 95 rupees. So the children, they gave the money. Here they gave how much rupees? 100 rupees. Their father had given them money, so the children gave, here's the money, 100 rupees. They gave 100 rupees on the counter, and the lady at the counter said, thank you, I must pay you 5 rupees back. Here it is. In the sense, total how much the children gave? 100 rupees. And actually the cost of the material which they purchased was 95 rupees. So how many rupees they had to take back? Once you give more money, then you have to take back the money also, no? ज़्यादा पैसे अगर आपने दिए हैं तो बचे हुए पैसे आपको वापस लेने पड़ते हैं. तो you have to calculate. That is why you need to know maths. So whenever you go out for shopping, that time when you pay the money, if you don't know to calculate, then what will happen? If the other person is very tricky and you may not know how to calculate, then they may give you less money. Is it not? So you should remember to calculate. Ask, always ask ki, how much is the cost of the things which I have purchased, and then count the money accordingly. Give it on the counter. And if you have given more money, sometimes you don't have change. छुट्टा पैसा नहीं होता है, तो आप ज़्यादा पैसे देने पड़ते हैं. अब जब ज़्यादा पैसे देते हैं तो बचे हुए पैसे आपको वापस भी लेने होते हैं. So remember to do that. Count the money and give. Calculate how much you have to take back. And when you take it back, always check whether you have been paid the right amount or not. बराबर amount आपको वापस मिला है कि नहीं, वो आपको check करना चाहिए. So how much the lady at the counter had to give the children back? 5 rupees, because they had paid 5 rupees extra. So she gave 5 rupees back to the children. Then the children said, yes, yes, that's right. And they said thank you to the lady at the counter, and they went back home. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for listening very nicely, and I'm sure all of you love to shop. So remember the things whenever you go to shop, just buy. Don't look at the things which are really very nice and beautiful. Just think what you need and what you want, है ना. यू ऑलवेज लाइक, कुछ भी अच्छा दिखेगा दूसरे के पास दिखता है तो आपको अच्छा लगता है, एंड देन यू वांट एवरीथिंग, है ना. जो भी अच्छा दिखता है वो सब आपको चाहिए होता है, बट इट इज अ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. ओके, जिसकी आपको ज़रूरत है वही चीज़ें खरीदो, एंड देन ट्राई टू यूटिलाइज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विच यू हैव ब्रॉट, है ना. अननेसेसरी दूसरों को देख के आपको नहीं खरीदना है. जस्ट परचेज ओनली दोज थिंग्स विच आर नीडेड बाय यू. आपको जो नीड है, जो रिक्वायरमेंट है, वही चीज़ें खरीदो. जब भी आप शॉपिंग जाते हो मम्मा पापा के साथ में, थिंक अबाउट whenever you like something, जो भी चीज़ आप बाय करने वाले हो, बाय करने से पहले सोचो कि इसका मुझे क्या यूज़ है. ओके, इसका मुझे क्या यूज़ है. इज इट इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट आई शुड हैव दिस. अगर ये नहीं रहेगा तो मेरा काम चलेगा क्या, ये आप सोचो. अगर चलेगा तो देर इज नो नीड टू बाय. अगर नहीं चलेगा तो देन यू हैव टू बाय. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. So always think about what you need and what you want. Okay, so what is important, what you need is important, what you want is not so important. And after that you should remember to calculate the amount and take the extra money back. Always you should be able to calculate how much money you have to give and how much money you have to take back. Okay, so next time, even if you are not paying the money, just try to calculate. Okay, chalo, bye.